Hi everybody, welcome back. Welcome to, this is Lorraine. I have a 12 by 12 inch canvas and I'm going to do a Dutch pour on it. I have been sitting here trying to figure out what colors I want to use, and I have a phthalo blue. I wish I could ask you guys. I have a metallic berry. This is my base paint. I have a turquoise. Not sure that I'm liking those together. Maybe I will switch out the turquoise for a light magenta, and I have a little bit of gold I want to use. So I'm going to start right in the middle with a puddle of my phthalo blue, and then the metallic berry, and some of the light magenta, and then put some gold in here. Okay, I hope I have enough white left here. I think I do. Ah, it's almost empty. Okay, get rid of these big bubbles. And I am just going to blow it over. And I'm going to blow it out. Just like that. I think that's good. You can see the gold on the top. It's very pretty. I like it. I like it. Blow it out just a little bit right here. Okay. So there we go. Very pretty. Very pretty. Those little cells. Still dripping. Very delicate little lines in here. Give it a torch if I can find it. Bring up all of this here. Okay. That was short and sweet. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. Tell me what you think of this. And come back again. Thanks. Bye.